y'all, good morning. I hope y'all can hear me because my voice is like cracking. This is day 2 of Myrtle Beach. Today is the 20th, April 20th. You know, we're just getting up and getting ready. We're about to, I think, go to breakfast. We're just waiting on everybody else to get ready. I'm so tired. Had a rough sleep because we have a queen bed and we're so used to a king bed, so we was tossing last night. Anyway, just wanted to come on and open up this video and show you the beautiful view this morning. I'm not sure what we're doing today. Whatever we decide to do, that's what we're going to do. I think we're going to the water park. I'm not sure. I know we need to go get some breakfast because I need some coffee. So we're going down to breakfast. They have a restaurant on site. Well, they have a restaurant in the hotel. And apparently it's complimentary, so we're going down to eat some breakfast. I hope it's complimentary. So we made it to IHOP, about to go in and eat breakfast real quick. Oh, can y'all see me? Oh, me and the son don't get along, y'all. Excuse this mark on my forehead though, between my eyes. About to go in here and eat breakfast at IHOP. And then from there, I'm not sure. It's a beautiful day out. It's probably about, I say it's like 70, 71 degrees right now. Huh?
Big lots right now.
Oh, they got a big lots over there? I'm being good. I'm so glad I'm being good.
Thought you were gonna flip up on me. Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Say hey to the vlog.
Hey guys.
So I'm not sure if I let you know, but we just left IHOP. Then we got in the car with our family members and we went to Walmart to pick up a couple of things. Now we're here at our family members' other hotel and we're gonna go to the water park. So that's what we're getting ready to do now. We're getting all our stuff together so we can walk in and go to the other water park. We don't know if we need a parking pass or not. So we made it to the pool area.
Two hours later.
Well, y'all, we are done with the water park. We done went back to the hotel and we also took a shower. Now we are back at Extreme Pizza to get some wings and pizza to take to go. Waiting for our order. We just went to go walk around, see the different sites and stuff, and now we came back to pizza to get our order. Okay, we got the pizza and the wings. We already got the drinks at our hotel room. And we're gonna go back to the hotel and eat. I am starving. That breakfast was good, but it ain't hold us over. If you ever thinking about coming to Myrtle Beach, come y'all. It's a lot for y'all to do here, and you can't do it all in one visit. So think about come on, because this is our second time here. We did a lot the first time we came here. This time was kind of like a relaxing type of vibe, so maybe we'll come back again and do some other stuff. But when we came, it was February, so it was what you call it, off season, so a lot of stuff wasn't open. But now it looks like a lot of stuff is open because the rides are on. The rides wasn't working when we were here in February, but they're on now. Well, we went to get the food, got back up here, we ate, we both stuffed and sleeping and cold.
So y'all know what time it is.
Time to close out the video.
Connect to HTC today to get the largest fiber optic network in the area.
Thank you for watching.
Fastest starting speeds.
Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell.
So be ready. Paramount Plus with Showtime.
And give us a like, the thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it.
And comment.
Yeah, please comment.
Paramount Plus with Showtime. Available now.
So, y'all have a nice night.
Good night.
And deuces.
Deuces. Oh.
What happened to that deuces energy?
Oh.
Deuces.
I'm so stupid.